Good morning. I know it's been a while since I checked in with you. It's actually the 1st of September now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a bit of a rewind and show you some footage that I recorded 3 or 4 weeks ago before I went away. And then once you've seen that, I'll do another video early this coming week, and that will just bring you up to speed on everything. So here's the footage and the video from a few weeks ago, and then I'll see you later in the week.
Hello. So today I've come down because this weekend, Friday, Saturday, we had high winds. I've just come down to see what the damage was. The plot did sustain a little bit of damage, which I'll show you in a minute. It's not too bad, but it does mean a few things have got to come out. But like I said, it's not too bad. Just having a general tidy up as well. So let's show you what's happened. So that's the area where my beans were. They'd fallen down and flattened the turnips and the radishes all the way over here into the carrots. So I've taken them out now. All the canes are there. Just cut them off, left the roots in, as everybody tells me to do. The bush tomato over the back is looking full of tomatoes that are ready for picking, but completely flat. And a couple of my cherry tomato plants have just been snapped off their canes, so I've got to tie them back up. Apart from that, I think I escaped major damage, really. Looking at some other people's plots, I think they've had it a lot worse than I have, so pretty thankful. Just quickly, a bit of an update on the pumpkins. I'm not sure if I've showed you these for a while, but I got one large one on each plant. The others have died back, but I mean, just as a sort of size comparison on my hand, that's probably bigger than a basketball now. And although this one's a bit misshapen and flat at the bottom, it's getting on for similar basketball size. So hopefully they'll be nice and tasty by the time we harvest them. So a few casualties when I was tying up the cherry tomatoes. So we got a load of green ones, but someone told me that they're good in chutneys, so might well do that. Any other suggestions what you can do with green tomatoes, let me know.
The next day.
Good morning. It's Saturday the 17th of August. Just brought you down because it's the last opportunity that I'm going to get to harvest anything before I go away later today. So we're flying to Dublin later on, so I thought I'd come down, harvest as much as I can so I can give it out to friends and family, make sure it doesn't go to waste. I've come down with the dog, who's just made an entrance. I'll show you her in a bit. Yeah, so just harvest as much as possible, make sure it doesn't go to waste, and then that'll be it from me for a week and a half. So hopefully when I come back, it won't have all shriveled up and died, and we'll still have plenty to harvest when we get back. And here is Daisy assisting Sam with picking of tomatoes. She does like a good tomato. Okay, so unfortunately that's all I have time for today, but as I said in my last video, big plans going forward. When I get back, I'm going to have a good crack at getting the rest of the beds together. The blackberries will have sort of finished then, so I can start cutting those brambles back. I've got some weed suppressant membrane as well, the good plastic stuff, so I'm going to start laying that out, and then put the beds on that to hold it down where I want to have the beds, and then we'll go forward from there. So lots of things to get stuck into when I get back, but for now, thank you very much for watching. I hope everyone else's allotments are going great, and I'll see you in a couple of weeks' time.